One time I made it. Didn't multiply. I thought about it.
Started?
Of course. For a line like that, I got it.
Oh!
In the leg!
Who didn't hit him on that one?
Oh, in the...
Farley going out.
It's not an excuse for not looking up. You gotta keep
What's
your
that?
eyes
He's
up.
like, no, I'm not out. I didn't see it, it doesn't
It
happen. Totally doing that.
He lands in a forest and nobody's gonna do it.
Does it land?
Big tree too. Speaking of trees. Oh, big guns.
Oh,
coming out
crossing the
strong.
line.
Coming out
Crossing the
strong.
line.
4 on 3.
4 on 3. All thrown
Ooh.
together.
And here comes the new guy.
Oh!
God, that must be embarrassing.
What line?
Cross the line? Are you serious?
Did he?
Ah,
I didn't see that.
I don't know.
Did you? Is it your hand? Can your foot not cross under any part of your body crossing the line?
So Brian's not playing for National Line? Not playing this season?
He moved back to San Fran.
And then
He
moved
was
to
going to
Taiwan.
move back to Taiwan, San Fran for like a year or 2 years. To hang out with his mom. His mom's complaining like, dude, ever since he graduated college, he was out to Asia.
Yeah.
So then, like, his family was in Taiwan. Like a week before he moved out of Hong Kong. And then, like, he was there for like 2 months and he was like, oh, fuck that.
Be with this girl. Taiwan girl. Don't do that to her. Fuck, man. Killing it. Taiwan. Lucky girls. Yeah.
Cool. Oh.
Plus, he's not really coming back.
Where's he from?
He's from Black Boys.
Mongoose and the
Bad
snake.
boy.